Okay, this is inspiration tutorial number 2, and this time I'm going to show you how you can use it to create a concept map or a mind map or a storyboard or anything basically, just starting from scratch. So I'm going to use the plus sign to create a new diagram. You can see that the main idea appears there ready in the center of the screen for the kids to start with. If you don't want it there, or if you don't want a central idea, you can click and drag it wherever you want it to go. I'm going to put in the main idea of the grey nurse shark because that's what I was looking at today with the Year 4s, and they were looking at all of the reasons that this animal was endangered, and so all of the things that were impacting on its life cycle at different stages to make it endangered. So I've got my grey nurse shark there as my main idea. I'm actually going to use something called rapid fire, which is a feature of inspiration that's really good for rapid brainstorming. So when you want kids just to generate as many possible ideas as you can, it's great for a teacher tool to use in front of the kids if they're all contributing responses, and it's good to use for the kids as well if they've got their own devices. So I'm going to click on that little lightning bolt up the top, and that just means I can add things and hit enter and they'll just appear and I can add them very rapidly. So if I was going to think of the reasons why the grey nurse shark is endangered, one of them might be that pollution is a cause. So I just type that word, hit next, and I can keep going in a very rapid manner. Grey nurse shark, pollution. Another one might be fishing nets. Another one might be destruction of habitats. Another one might be that the eggs get eaten. So that's just a really quick example of how you can generate ideas really quickly and display them in a very visual manner. Another feature of inspiration that the kids love is the fact that they've got a huge bank of images. So if I go up to the image icon and do a search for shark, it's going to give me one shark. I can double tap it for it to go into the picture, and that picture can either replace one of the shapes or it can be a picture that sits there on its own.